Hi, I'm Shirley Archer, your mindful living coach. I help busy people like you who have competing personal and professional demands avoid losing your mind or your health or both with practical tips and information to help you create more clarity, energy, happiness, and health. Stay tuned because today we're going to enjoy a guided mindfulness meditation. Sit comfortably with a lengthened spine. Gently roll your shoulders, shake your hands, shake your arms, and allow any tension to flow away from your body. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through the mouth, or inhale just through the nose or just through the mouth, as is comfortable for you. If you'd like, you may close your eyes, or if you prefer, gaze gently downward with a softened gaze without looking at anything in particular. Relax the muscles around the eyes, the jaw, and the throat. Continue with 3 conscious breaths, inhaling deeply and exhaling completely. Allowing your body to become still, drawing attention to your breath, and feeling the body gently expand with the in-breath and contract with the out-breath. Being aware of the movement of your breath as it flows in your body and out. Perhaps you can feel it at the tip of the nostrils with the inhalation, in the back of the throat, or as a gentle expansion in the chest or the belly, or both. And as you exhale, feeling a softening in the body and the flowing out of the out-breath. Perhaps sensing a bit more warmth in the breath as it flows out the nose. Allow yourself to be with this flow of breath. Inhaling and exhaling. Not controlling the breath or managing the breath in any way, just allowing it to find its own natural rhythm. Perhaps shallow, perhaps deep. Just continue observing the breath wherever you feel it as the body inhales, feeling it as the exhale flows out. Allowing the breath to breathe itself. Observe the full cycle of the breath. Each inhalation and exhalation in its own rhythm. Allow your attention to rest lightly on the breath. And if your mind wanders, any thoughts arise, emotions, or even sensations, simply observe and bring your attention back to the breath. Escort your attention back to the breath with a gentle firmness, noticing, is it an in-breath or is it an out-breath? Noticing the subtle movement in your body, anchoring your attention in the moment. You may find as you continue observing the breath, sensations come into your body and into your awareness, perhaps discomfort, restlessness. And if this happens, simply broaden your attention from your breath to include your entire body, becoming aware of the wholeness and completeness of your entire body. Noticing your body making contact with the seat, the cushion, the floor, whatever you're seated upon. Feel the surface underneath you. Noticing the texture of your clothing, the temperature of the room, or wherever you are. Being aware of the entirety of your body sitting. Sensing your body complete and present. Present to whatever sensations emerge. Sensations arising. Perhaps lingering. Changing. Passing away. Being here with whatever sensations present itself. Observing where you are at this moment. If you're noticing that you want to move, pay attention to that desire. If you want, move or shift mindfully with complete attention and awareness. Or, instead of giving in to the urge to move, check out the sensation. Where exactly in your body is the sensation? Notice the quality of the feeling. Is it aching or tingling? Breathing directly into that part of your body. Continuing to observe, not trying to change or control the sensation, just opening into the sensation, the feeling with gentleness, kindness. Softening into the sensation, allowing it to be, noticing any reactions, any thoughts, any feelings. Simply observe. Drawing your attention back to the breath, noticing the sound of the breath. Can you hear any sound of inhalation or exhalation? Expand your attention to include other sounds. Perhaps you may hear your heartbeat or stomach sounds, any grumbling or growling. Expanding your awareness beyond sounds in the body to sounds around you. My voice, any sounds of people, human activity, sounds of nature. not straining, but simply allowing sounds to flow up against your ears. It's like waves rolling up to the shore. Allowing the sounds to be. Notice if you have any tendency to judge the sounds. I like this sound, I don't like that sound. If that happens, observe it. Without engaging in that thought or feeling, just watch it. Notice what arises. Continuing to expand your awareness, focusing on all sounds around you. Drawing your attention back to the breath. Notice any thoughts that may be passing through your mind. Notice the thoughts without engaging. Not getting involved with following the thought, but simply allowing it to flow by like a cloud drifting through the sky. And if you find that a thought is drawing you in, bring your attention back to the breath. This breath. Is it an inhalation? Is it an exhalation? When you feel steady again, allow yourself to observe thoughts. And then allow your awareness to expand. Letting go of any objects of attention, sounds, the body, thoughts, feelings. Just allow yourself to simply be all of it, everything. Dropping into being, present with everything as it unfolds, complete and whole as you are right now. And gently bringing your attention now once again back to the breath, this breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Recognizing that you've spent this time allowing yourself to be exactly as you are, fully present, moment to moment. Congratulate yourself for making time to do this. And allow the benefits of this practice of being and flow to expand into the entire experience of your life. Very gently roll the shoulders, breathe deeply, stretch if that feels comfortable. Open your eyes. If your eyes have been closed, bringing yourself back into the room, wiggling the fingers, rotating the wrists, whatever feels good to your body at this moment. Inhaling deeply, exhaling completely. Thank you so much for sharing time and enjoying this mindfulness meditation with me. If you'd like to enjoy more of these meditations, please subscribe, as this is part of a playlist of 10-minute guided meditations that you can enjoy whenever you need. Thank you so much. Be healthy and happy.